Bad communication is the #1 killer of solar businesses. And it's not just the bad reviews. Cancellations, needing to buy leads because you're all out of referrals. These are all symptoms of bad customer communication. The problem is good communication is hard, especially when your teams are juggling a lot of different projects. That's why we built Bodhi. Bodhi automates and streamlines homeowner project updates so your team can focus on executing. Whether that means getting projects to PTO faster, closing more new customers, or even researching new business opportunities. Bodhi automatically keeps your customer updated with a personalized project tracker and automated updates via text, email, and in-app. Our platform is specifically designed for solar installers to reduce communication headaches and keep your brand top of mind with customers. To learn more about how Bodhi can help you level up your communications so you can grow your business through referrals and follow-on sales, schedule a demo at bodhi.solar.